1. Refrain from dry steering. Avoid turning the steering wheel when the car is not moving. Doing this may harm your tires and steering system. Make sure to turn the steering wheel only when the vehicle is moving at a slow speed. Two. Never shift into reverse while the vehicle is still moving forward. Bring the vehicle to a full stop before shifting from drive to reverse. Three. Do not put the car in park while it is still moving. Always bring the vehicle to a complete stop before shifting into park. 4. Do not drive too fast when parking the vehicle. Always drive slowly to stay in control and help prevent accidents. Five. Do not drive forward if the headlights of the car ahead are still visible below the left corner of your vehicle. To pass safely, make sure the headlights of the car ahead are visible above the corner of your vehicle.